How to fix Rogers Xfinity gateway flashing orange. First, check the orange light and wait a few minutes. If you recently plugged in or restarted the gateway, give it several minutes to establish a connection. If it remains flashing orange, continue. Step 2. Restart the gateway. Unplug the power cable from the gateway or wall outlet. Wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then give the gateway at least 5 minutes to reconnect. Step 3. Check the coax cable. Find the round coaxial cable connected to the back of the gateway. Unscrew it, inspect the small center pin for damage, reconnect it, and make sure the connection is finger tight. Do the same at the wall outlet. Fourth, remove any coax splitters. If there's a splitter or self-installed amplifier between the wall outlet and gateway, temporarily remove it. Connect the coax cable directly from the wall outlet to the gateway. Rogers specifically recommends this when troubleshooting a flashing amber gateway. Fifth, try another coax wall outlet. If your home has another active coax cable outlet, move the gateway there temporarily. Connect the wall coax outlet with the coax cable to the Rogers gateway. Then connect power and wait about 5 minutes. Sixth, check for a Rogers outage. If everything is connected correctly, but the gateway suddenly started flashing orange, check whether Rogers is experiencing an outage in your area. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.